Welcome to ApronOps, where creativity meets culture. From Kenyan recipes to hand-on DIY projects, we break things down step by step so you can learn, create, and enjoy. Let's dive in. Thanks for joining ApronOps. If today's project inspired you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with friends. Drop your ideas in the comments. Your feedback shapes what we do next. Until then, keep creating, keep exploring, and keep your apron ready.